Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Welcome to our science class. I am your teacher, Sir Teddy Pagaduan. Enjoy listening, watching, and learning. Today, I will discuss to you Quarter 3, Module 2, Lesson 1, Conductors and Insulators. Electricity is one of the important things in our lives. Our appliances and gadgets at home requires electricity to function. Have you ever wondered how does electricity reach your home? Have you ever asked yourself why you don't get electrically shocked when you touch an electric cord? Have you wondered why a material becomes hot whenever it gets near to fire or even putting it to an hot object? How is heat transferred from one object to another? Heat can be transferred in many ways, and one of which is through conduction. In conduction, heat is transferred from hotter to colder objects, and they must be in direct contact or touching each other. In terms of medium of transfer, materials that are involved in conduction are generally in solid form. But not all solids can facilitate heat conduction due to their composition or materials. Certain objects allow heat and electricity to flow in them while others don't. We have the classification of materials as conductors or insulators. The characteristics of the subclassification of materials are the following. Classification of materials as conductors and insulator. For conductors, number 1, materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Most materials that conduct heat are metals because their electrons can flow easily. Example of conductors: nail, metal spoons, and other metal objects. Insulators: materials that do not transfer electricity. The electrons of the insulators are not free flowing, for they are tightly bonded with each atom. Example of insulators: wood, plastic, and rubber. Conductivity depends on thickness. The thicker, the better the conductor. Size: the shorter the size, the better the conductor. Temperature: with the increase in temperature, electrons gain energy, causing better conductivity. Other ways of heat transfer include convection and radiation. Convection is the transfer of heat from one place to another by the movements of fluids. For example, when a pot of water is heated, water begins to rise. As the water rises, cold water goes down. The process is repeated until all the water has the same temperature. Radiation, in other way, is the transfer of heat through empty space. Example is standing before a stove where your body feels the heat from it. Kids, that ends our lesson for today. I hope that you learned a lot in our discussion. Good luck and see you again on the next video lesson. Continue answering the different activities in your module. If you are new in this channel, feel free to subscribe and share and like and comment for better suggestion. Shout out to all grade 5 learners. See you again on the next video lesson. God bless because God loves us all.